This video is about capitalistic economy. Capitalistic economy is also termed as a free economy or market economy. Adam Smith is the father of capitalism, where the role of government is minimum and market determines the economic activities. The means of production in a capitalistic economy are privately owned. The USA, West Germany, Australia, and Japan are the best examples for capitalistic economies. Features of capitalistic economy. First one, private ownership of property and law of inheritance. The basic feature of capitalism is that all resources, namely land, capital, machines, mines, etc., are owned by private individuals. The property can be transferred to heirs after death. Second one, freedom of choice and enterprise. Each individual is free to carry out any occupation or trade at any place and produce any commodity. Similarly, consumers are free to buy any commodity as per their choice. Third one, profit motive. Profit is the driving force behind all economic activities in a capitalistic economy. The golden rule for a producer under capitalism is to maximize profit. Fourth one, free competition. There is free competition in both product and factor market. The government cannot prevent firms from buying or selling in the market. Fifth one, price mechanism. Price mechanism is the heart of any capitalistic economy. All economic activities are regulated through price mechanism, that is, market forces of demand and supply. Sixth one, role of government. The government has a limited role in a capitalistic economy. The government provides basic services such as defense, public health, education, etc. Seventh one, inequalities of income. A capitalist society is divided into two classes, rich and poor. The outcome of this situation is that the rich become richer and poor become poorer. Here, economic inequality goes on increasing. Merits of capitalism. First one, automatic working. Without any government intervention, the economy works automatically. Second one, efficient use of resources. All resources are put into optimum use. Third one, incentives for hard work. Hard work is encouraged and entrepreneurs get more profit for more efficiency. Fourth one, economic progress. Production and productivity levels are very high in capitalistic economies. Fifth one, consumers' sovereignty. All production activities are aimed at satisfying the consumers. Sixth one, higher rates of capital formation. Increase in saving and investment leads to higher rates of capital formation. Seventh one, development of new technology. As profit is aimed at producers invest on new technology and produce quality goods. Demerits of capitalism. First one, concentration of wealth and income. Capitalism causes concentration of wealth and income in a few hands and thereby increases inequalities of income. Second one, wastage of resources. Large amount of resources are wasted on competitive advertising and duplication of products. Third one, class struggle. Capitalism leads to class struggle as it divides the society into capitalists and workers. Fourth one, business cycle. Free market system leads to frequent violent economic fluctuations and crises. Fifth one, production of non-essential goods. Even the harmful goods are produced if there is possibility to make profit. On the basis of this video, the following questions can be asked. First one, explain the merits and demerits of capitalism. Second question, enumerate the features of capitalist economy. Third one, what do you mean by capitalism? Thanks for watching.